Basement ventilation services. Basements are some of the most poorly ventilated rooms in a house. They're cold, dark, musty and, because of their location below ground, they are also highly prone to moisture intrusion, high humidity and condensation. These consistently cool and wet conditions make basements hotspots for mold and mildew problems as well as musty odors. An efficient ventilation system will expel stagnant or polluted air from inside and bring in fresh, clean air from outside. It will help eliminate odors, lower humidity, and keep allergies and asthma at bay. Poor ventilation and basement mold. The biggest cause of basement mold is moisture. And because basements are so prone to flooding, leaks, high humidity and, last but not least, poor ventilation, they are hotspots for mold, fungi and musty odors. Mold can spread very easily and quickly, generally within 24 to 48 hours of moist exposure, into other parts of a house. Ensuring that your basement is properly ventilated will go a long way in preventing moisture buildup, mold growth and those unpleasant odors so frequently associated with basements. Call Mold Busters today and get proper ventilation in the basement. Contact us at 1-877-566-6653.